Okay. It's 6:30 AM. Kakagising ko lang. Today, I like the agenda for the day. Sorry kung manas ako, ha. Nagkakape ako. Kung nagtataka man kayo kung ano yung ganong sound. Nasa studio kasi ako ni Pao. So, yan. So, yun. Explain ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mangyayari today. First agenda natin is like, basta yung LRC to go to their warehouse. Tapos, yung brand nila, basically, pinatawag ko ni TAMRON. Char! Tapos, ayun, TAMRON, pinapahiram nila akong lens. Doon na ako, guys. So, mamaya, feel ko magkakaroon ako ng major reality check na parang, hey, this is it, y'all. The start of 2021. Boom. TAMRON. Because, if I'm not mistaken, pati ang Benro magpapahiram ng tripod sa akin. And then, yung second agenda natin for the day is to go to Anchor Point. Shout out kay Brent. Ayun. Tapos, mag-shoot tayo with Ara and Joanna. Tapos ako yung photographer si Junessa. Uy, lahat pala kami. Ayun. Buti na lang. So, Ara, thank you so much for agreeing to do this shoot with me. Kahit na last minute. Yun. Tapos, nakakapansin na ako sa atin na puro tayo last minute. Kakape lang ako and prep na. Tapos, we'll be going to the warehouse ng LRC. Ay, by the way, ako lang pala yung mag-vlog today. So, pasensya na kung puro ganon. Kasi si Pao, marami siyang work this week. So, ayoko nang dagdagan yun. Yun. Pero, siya pa rin mag-edit and stuff. Pero yung vlogging portion lang, it's just me. Stop. Oh my God. Ayaw mag-stop. Oh, no, shit. What's happening? Baby, di ko kasama.
Welcome to my studio. These are my speakers. This is me. This is my guitar. My carpet. My chair. Welcome to my studio. Bye-bye.
Okay guys, so nandito na ako. Ayun. So, andito na ako sa TAMRON. Actually, napahiram na nila sa akin yung lens na hiniram ko. Nasa loob na ng bag ko. So, nasa loob na siya ng bag. Nahawakan ko na siya. Ganon. Tapos, yung Benro na tripod, nandun na rin, katabi na rin siya ng bag ko. So, I'm ready to go to my shoot. Ganon. Pero gusto ko sa inyo ipakilala yung, two of the amazing fun women na nag-scout sa akin to partner with this amazing brand. Sabi nila, pwede ko na daw sabihin yun. Ayun, okay. So, introduce ko kayo. Hello! Introduce yourself!
I am Marga. And I am Cassie. Joke ka.
Hello! Nice to meet you! So,
Finally, na-meet na namin.
yes! Woo! Ayun. So, ano yung pinahiram nyo sa akin pala?
TAMRON 72180.
Benro System Go, yung dream tripod ni Junessa.
Yes! Oo! That's enemy!
Partner.
Oh my God, oo. Woo!
Go girls.
Ilagay natin dito. Yes, oo. Girl power. Oo. Yay! So, thank
you guys so much for giving me this opportunity, as in
This is the start of our partnership.
Yes.
oh my
Ever
god.
natawa.
Ayun, thank you guys. So, on the way na ako to my shoot. Yeah, para lang may travel time, no? Ayun, sige. So, I'm here now. Si Brent daw, nag-workout ka. So, tagal mo, Brent. Si, John Kenneth, may class. I'm just waiting for Ara and Joanna to arrive. Teka nga, para klaro.
So, on the way here, kunento ko na kay mama na, uy, ma, that just happened. Tapos sabi niya, hala, kanilabutan ako. Ganun. So, ayun, medyo surreal. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung exacto product na pinahiram sa akin. So, this is the Tamron 70 to 180 na it's in 2.8. O, diba, guys? May pang beauty ako today. Also, I also have this tripod from Benro. Tapos, ito yung nagiging horizontal, yung center mount. Dito ko na lang ilalagay, Pao. Ikaw na bahala kung ano yung exact model. And, yun. Tchanan! O, sinabi nila sa akin, mag-ingat daw ako kasi nakakaipit daw siya ng fingers. So, deadly daw siya. Char! Kung nag-iim tayo, oh my god, sobrang struggle. Struggle bus na ako lang mag-isa yun, nagvo-vlog. Ito nga pala yung outfit of the day ko. Alam niyo kung saan ako nakuha to? Shopee! Tapos wala pa siyang 1K. Yes! Tapos, yung etong case na to is from Casetify. Sponsored by my wonderful ate. So, yung tawag, alam niyo kung ano yung tawag dito? Yun nakalagay sa mismo website. Mystic Gold Jungle Lunar Snake. So, na-memorize ko siya. Yun. Sakura! 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 Hello!
Oh, wow.
Uy, ang buit-buit naman ito. Alam mo.
Samantalang kapong may lalaki guys na
Lesbiana ka, be? Hello.
Ken, gym ka nga, gym.
So, ayun na nga, it's a wrap. And special thanks sa Tamron PH and Benro PH for lending me some stuff na I can use today. Yun. Special thanks kay Sela, kay Iska, and kay Margarita. So, yun. Shoutout sa inyong tatlo. You girls are so generous and #manifest. Ayun. Okay, so, yun na. Like, share, subscribe. Follow niyo ako sa Instagram at Junessa Rendon Photography. Pao, ikaw na bahala. Check out my portfolio din sa www.junessarendon.photography. Yun. Okay. Bye! Okay, so before you guys see the final images, I just wanted to share with you all my collected thoughts sa 70 to 180 2.8 Tamron lens. Super nag-enjoy ako gamitin siya kasi yes, before I commit the mortal sin of cropping in my images too close na nasa-sacrifice na yung details ng image, I would have to compensate by adding way more sharpness and by manually drawing in more details like extra eyelashes, extra eyebrow hairs, and by adding more makeup. So, sorry ang gulo ng buhok ko. Ayun. With the 70 to 180, I didn't have to do that at all. It was super tack sharp. As in, super sharp. Wala halos room for error pagdating sa retouching ko kasi kita lahat. Sobrang preserved lahat ng sharp details. Since nagpahiram din, di ba, yung Benro ng System Go tripod nila, I used that sa last layout ko. Yung napansin ko naman doon, mas nabawasan yung hairline shake. No matter how much you try to not breathe when you shoot, tas kahit na may strobe pa and all, kahit papano, may tiny bit of like fuzziness or blurriness na mangyayari. And that's normal. Pero with the tripod, as in sobrang that sharp. Pinahiram din nila sa akin yung 28 to 200 na 2.8 na telephoto. So, I'm also excited to do stuff with that. Tatry ko nang i-push yung shoot with Jar. So, Jar, tara, shoot na tayo ng beauty para matry ko na yung 28 to 200 na yan. Try natin. All in all, like, I am not disappointed. So if you're thinking of adding a 70 to 180 focal length to your kit, I say go for it. It's pretty worth it. It just fits so perfectly in my kit na I want one personally. So, bigyan naman, joke lang. Honestly speaking, I still can't afford to buy a new lens. So, I am super grateful sa TAMRON PH and Benro PH for allowing me to experience yung lens na yun. And I'm happy na may at least a few images ako in my portfolio na yun yung lens na gamit ko. And I am super looking forward to shooting with 28 to 200. I will post a review of the 28 to 200 sometime soon. But for now, please enjoy the images that I was able to take with the lens na pinahiram sa akin. Again, big thanks to TAMRON PH and Benro PH for giving me this opportunity to become an official partner. And oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So without further ado, here are images.
You need anything?
Wow, lagyan mo lang dito yung social media ko.
What the hell did I just watch? What is up? Ano to? Mga video ba sa akin? Ano sabihin ko? Sige, explain ka pa. Galit sa mundo.
Sino kaaway mo, ha?
Ano yung pa nakatingin sa akin?
Nakalalaki na eh.
Ang lalaki na to eh.
Pao, subscribe kayo sa akin. Ito yung ano ko.
Ay, wag. I-blur mo pa. Yung lagay mo ng toot. Ganon mo. Every time sasabihin nila eh. Tapos by JKS? I-Japanese.
Instagram.com/shotsbyjks.
Leo Trato. Sundan mo tong kamay ko.
DVD.
Yung ganon.
Shots by JKS.
Yeah. Tapos yung Leo Trato, ito. Nagpa-bounce sa frame na to, tapos pupunta dito.
Tapos mag-iiba ng kulay.
Oo, nag-iiba. Tuwing pupunta sa corner, sa gilid, nag-iiba ng kulay.
Mga ganun.
Yan, sundan niya yan.
Idol, subscribe to her.
Yun!
Yes.
Yun!
Yes.
Ba't ganun?
Ulul, babay na.